In this video, we're going to show you how to update Windows 11 for your PC. All right, so to do this, you need just to click on the start button here on the lower right corner. And there are two ways. There's a faster one, but I'm going to show you the longer one. By longer one, I mean it's just like a few seconds longer by clicking on the settings button here. And here in settings, going to be showing you a menu on the left-hand corner. And if you see all the way down here, it says Windows Update. So click on Windows Update. And as you can see here, updates available to download. Just click on that, right? But I'm going to show you the other way to do this, which is faster. So again, click on the start button and you're going to see a search bar here. Just tap on Windows Update. And it's going to show you here Windows Update settings. And it's going to bring you to the same page here. So as you can see here, we have an update available to download. Just click on download and install. This might take a while, even if you have a really fast internet connection. And as you can see here, I do have a fast internet connection, but sometimes it does need a bit more time, especially when it's installing. So let's just wait for it to install. And I'm going to show you something other than that. All right, so now that the update is already finished, as you can see here, it says complete. So if you don't have an update, you can just click check your updates like this, and it's gonna look for updates if there is anything available, because sometimes there are more important updates than there's like peripheral updates. So peripheral updates, it's Windows is not gonna notify you that you need an update. So that one that we updated is not that important, but if it's a system update, it's gonna show you here. There's gonna be a pop-up in the lower right corner of your screen. So as you can see here, we are still checking for updates, and as you can see here, there is some more, and this is what I'm saying, that these are peripheral updates. And yeah, that's how you update on your Windows 11 PC. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.